They say it's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you have. And yet most people go broke not because they're poor, but because they never learned the rules of money. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You could earn £5,000 a month and still be broke if you don't manage it right. But you could also earn £1,500 a month and build real wealth if you understand how money actually works. In this video, I'll break down how to manage your money so you never go broke again. No matter how much you earn, simple habits, smart psychology, and a few rules that the wealthy follow quietly, but consistently. Let's get into it. Part 1. Understand where your money is going. The first step to managing money isn't earning more, it's knowing where it goes. Most people have no clue how much they spend each month. They just swipe, tap, and hope the balance holds. Start by tracking your expenses for one full month. Every coffee, every subscription, every random Amazon order. Because what gets measured gets managed. You'll be shocked by how much leaks out without you noticing. Small leaks that sink big ships. Once you see the pattern, you'll realize you don't have a spending problem, you have a clarity problem. Use any simple app, like Emma, YNAB, or even just a Google Sheet. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Part 2. The 50-30-20 rule. Now that you know where your money's going, it's time to give every pound a job. A simple framework that works for most people is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, transport, bills. 30% for wants, eating out, Netflix, hobbies. 20% for saving or investing. If 20% feels impossible right now, start with 5%. The key is consistency, not perfection. It's better to save £50 every month for a year than £500 once and never again. Remember, money management isn't a crash diet, it's a lifestyle. Part 3. Build an emergency fund. Here's the real reason most people go broke. One bad month wipes out everything. A car repair, a medical bill, losing your job, and suddenly you're using credit cards just to survive. That's why you need an emergency fund, your personal safety net. Start with £500, then build it up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep it in a separate, easy-access savings account, not your main bank app where you might accidentally spend it. It's not exciting, but it's freedom. Because when life hits hard, and it will, your finances won't collapse. Part 4. Pay yourself first. Most people save what's left after spending. That's why there's never anything left. Flip that mindset, pay yourself first. The moment you get your income, move your savings amount immediately, before you touch anything else. This one habit changes everything. Because when you prioritize your future first, your spending automatically adjusts to fit what's left. Think of it as giving your future self a salary, because one day you'll need it. Part 5. Invest wisely. Saving keeps you safe, but investing makes you grow. Once your emergency fund is built, your next goal is to make your money work for you. Start with low-risk, long-term options, index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Even £100 a month invested for 20 years can grow into thousands, quietly in the background. Part 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's the silent killer of wealth. Lifestyle inflation. You earn more, so you spend more. Better phone, better car, better everything. But if your expenses grow with your income, your wealth never does. Next time you get a raise, increase your savings rate, not your lifestyle. It's not about living cheap, it's about living smart. Wealth isn't built on how much you spend, it's built on how much you keep and grow. Managing money isn't about being rich, it's about being ready. Ready for emergencies, ready for opportunities, ready for peace of mind. So here's your checklist. Track your expenses. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Build an emergency fund. Pay yourself first, invest early and consistently, avoid lifestyle inflation. Do these 6 things and you'll never go broke again. Not because you're lucky, but because you're prepared. And remember, money doesn't control you when you learn to control it. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what your biggest money struggle is right now.